Estaba yendo Nora ahí.
Okay, stop. 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 Okay. One person from each team needs to come and write what you have. Okay? So team 1, at, in, on. Right? Team 2, at, in, on. Who wants to write? There you go. Well, you both have to do it. Yes. Neely? Vanessa, you want to write?
Eso es trampa porque ellas son dos y tú eres una.
Vanilla. Vanilla chocolate.
5, 4. Ganamos ya amaneciendo.
No, no, pero es que no, es súper trampa y de esto de que yo llegara.
Wow. Rápido. She's fast.
Spots.
Doesn't even have to look. Done?
Over.
You need room for that on. Oh, you got it. Good. Yep. You got it. Yep, that's on.
¡Ey!
Felicitaciones.
Yay!
Let's read them and make sure they're correct. Okay, we have to make sure that they are correct and not wrong.
Oh, good idea.
Okay.
Review.
In the morning, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. In the evening.
Yes.
In July.
Yes.
In the afternoon.
Yes.
At 8:45.
Yes.
At night.
Yes.
On Saturday.
Yes.
On okay, October 28th.
Okay.
It's still correct because it's on. Okay, it's a date. Good. All right. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Plus 8. Okay. Team 2. In the morning.
Yes.
In the afternoon. In May.
Yeah.
In June. In September. In December. Yes. At night. At 8:30. At 7 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. Good. On Saturday. On Tuesday. On Monday. Yes, the same. Switch. On July 27th. Okay? On July 27th. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yay!
Good job. Okay. The bottom part of this, we are not going to do tonight, okay? Because we don't have time. No hay tiempo, okay? Bueno. Tenemos como 2 cositas más. Yo sé que casi ya son las 8, ¿ok? Entonces, ¿está bien con ustedes para quedar como 10 minutos, 15 minutos después para terminar con todo esta clase? ¿Sí? Ok. ¿Pueden? Si no, está bien. Pero, ok, solo porque estamos grabando ahí. Y es para la clase. Ok. Great. How do I do this? On? Yeah. I need to erase this anyway.
¿Se va a meter con la cámara?
I think we're good.
Maybe.
It'll light up. I can see the screen.
Okay. Can I
Yay!
should I scoot it over?
Huh?
Yes.
Here.
Did you get the recording, the sound recording, Cass?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I said we were going to talk about a schedule. Yes? A schedule. Schedule. Okay? Schedule.
Schedule.
Schedule. What is a schedule?
I don't know.
No?
Un itinerario.
Yes. Uh-huh. So this is Mrs. Brooks' weekend schedule. This is what she does every weekend. Okay? On Saturday, she goes to exercise class. She rests and she cooks. Okay? On Sunday, she goes to church and she eats lunch with family. So this is her weekend schedule. Okay. We're going to have a conversation. We're going to talk with a partner. Okay? It says listen, then talk with a partner. When does Mrs. Brooke cook? So we look right here. She cooks on Saturday. What time? At 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay? So we're using prepositions of time. On, at, in. Okay? So with the partner, practice this one.
With lights.
When does Mr. Brock come? Yo te cuento la gente.
How are you?
When
Good.
does Mr. Brock
Bonbon.
cook?
Bonbon.
What time?
Controlation.
She cooks on Saturday
Which one?
at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Schedule.
What?
Yes.
When does Mr. Brooks cook? On
Did
Saturday.
they change anything? Are they just reading?
6 o'clock.
They're going to change it.
Okay.
Okay, let's stop. This is a woman, okay? Mrs. Brooke. Mrs. Brooke.
Mrs. Brooke.
Uh-huh. What is Mrs.? Yes. Okay, Mrs. Brooke. Mrs. Brooke. Mrs. Yes. Mr. is like this. Okay? That's Mr. This is Mrs. Okay.
When does Mrs. Brooke?
Now, we're going to change the bold words, the black words. Okay? So with your partner, you're going to ask, when does Mrs. Brooke go to church? So we look, she goes to church on Sunday. What time? At 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay? So remember, when you ask the question, when does she go to church? But to answer, she goes to church. Okay?
Okay.
So you're going to do that with all of these. Yes?
She goes.
Okay, with the partner.
When does Mr. Brooks go to church?
Mrs. Brookie.
She goes on Saturday.
When does
When does Mrs. Brooks go to church? Okay. She goes. She goes. When does Bueno, has been on
She
Sunday.
goes to church on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Okay?
Tienes que crear el palito.
Okay, so you're only changing
No, no.
the black words. Okay, those are the only ones you change. When does Mrs. Brooke go to church?
Goes to church.
She goes
He goes
to church
Saturday.
on Sunday.
Sunday.
What time? At 9 o'clock in the morning. Yes.
Okay.
Church.
When does Mr. Brooke go to church?
No, that is
On
church.
Sunday.
When does
Brooke.
Pero infatti le sorelle church.
Mr.
Covenant Church.
Mr. Brooke.
Yes, Covenant
Miss Church? Miss Church.
Brooke.
Sa kung in the
Sunday.
Each flock is
Okay.